Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair the Audio-Technica headphones to your iPhone. First of all, you have to be sure that the device is turned off. You can check it out by just looking on this indicator. When it's not activated, it means that the device is also not activated. So right now we have to use this button that is between the volume up and down keys. Click and hold it, take a look on this indicator. When it's turned on, we have to just release the button. Next, just wait a little bit, this indicator will start blinking, just like that. And it's time to go for the settings on your iPhone, go for the Bluetooth and tap on the switcher to enable Bluetooth, and then finally click on your headset. As you can see right now we are connected, and that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.